Good evening, folks. This is Chief Forecaster James Fold here for your evening update on this Sunday. We are looking at some snow right now, already moving into towards Digby areas and parts of Halifax, where this radar is kind of malfunctioning. It's actually indicating some rain and very heavy rain and thunderstorms along here at Digby. However, that's not being reported. So if we take a look at a better radar right here, we can see that most of the area is pretty much seeing snow right now. Rain just entering down into southern Maine. That rain will eventually move into our area in the next few hours. This will be a very short-lived snow event. The majority of the system is going to be rain, and it's a fairly quick system. It's going to be in and out of here by tonight. So when we start tomorrow, the storm should already have been gone and shoot it out towards Labrador. So this is a fast-moving system. This is majority just a heavy rain and a high wind event, especially if you are in the Digby area. This will be the hardest hit areas. The biggest threat is the winds with the storm. We'll get to the winds a little bit, but let's take a look at the timeline now. Snow already starting up as indicated here by the European model. Snow and wet snow in much of Yarmouth County. Also looking at possibly a little bit of rain already in Clark's Harbor, mixed in with a little bit of wet snow. As we time that out, by the time we get to 11 o'clock tonight, we are seeing everyone have changed over to rain on the south shore. That includes Shelburne, Clark's Harbor, Yarmouth, Freeport. However, areas of Digby, New Grafton, Liverpool, Bridgewater, you're actually seeing a snow to rain snow mix and a little bit of wet snow mixed combined. And so you guys will be in the later parts of the night that you change to rain. Otherwise, we should all be changed to rain by close to the 10 or 11 o'clock in much of Yarmouth and Shelburne County, including the south part of Digby as well. By the time we get into 2 o'clock in the morning, everyone is raining all the way up to Halifax, north of Halifax, and much of northern and mainland Nova Scotia is snow and wet snow with rain snow mix. And then by the time we get into 5 o'clock tomorrow morning, we're still seeing rain, but the rain is beginning to end very close by in the southern shores of Nova Scotia. Otherwise, rain for much of the area, except a little bit of rain-snow mix and snow for Cape Breton and northern Nova Scotia. And then by the time we get to 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, that's when we should see the rain end in the south shore. Perhaps a few scattered showers, though, in Digby and Yarmouth. Shelburne, you'll see the rain becoming tapering off to a few showers. And then by the time we get into tomorrow afternoon, we'll start to see clearing skies. In fact, I think we'll see sunshine tomorrow afternoon. And then we're dry for much of Monday evening into Tuesday. We could see a few flurries, possibly some rain showers as well. Temperatures are going to stay above freezing though. So that's the good news. Alright, let's take a look now at the what we can expect for snowfall and rainfall amounts. As we take a look at snowfall amounts, very little snowfall can be expected. Generally looking at amounts of 2 to 4 centimeters for the entire southwest area. However, the least amount of snow can be found towards Clark's Harbor, Shelburne, and much of the extreme southwest coast. They'll see snowfall amounts of less than 1 centimeter, so about a dusting at most. Areas that will see 2 to 4 centimeters is from Yarmouth all the way up to Middleton, Kentville. New Ross could be the jackpot. You could see maybe a little upwards of over 5 centimeters, possibly 7.3 centimeters, as indicated here by the model. Halifax 4 centimeters. Bridgewater you could pick up close to 5 centimeters. New Grafton 3 centimeters. Liverpool 3 centimeters. Digby 2.4 centimeters. So generally the range is 2 to 4 centimeters, with a few isolated areas of picking up closer to 5 centimeters for the mainland areas. So further inland you go, the more snow you'll get. But along the coast, you only see about 2 centimeters at most. Alright, now as we get into the rain, there will be more rain than snow because this is a rain event rather than a snow event. For rain, we are looking at amounts of closer to 10 millimeters, 10 to 15 millimeters for Clarks Harbor, Shelburne, Liverpool, Bridgewater, New Ross, Halifax. Areas to the east will see amounts of 10 to 15 millimeters. Further west you go, so Digby, Middleton, Kentville, Freeport, Yarmouth, you see rainfall amounts of 5 to 10 millimeters. And this will be through tonight and tomorrow. Now let's take a look at the wind gusts now. Currently we do have wind gusts upwards of 50 kilometers per hour. Those will increase as we get through the evening. By the time we get to 8:30, 9 o'clock, we'll see those winds increasing to 60 kilometers per hour from Freeport to Digby to Yarmouth to Clarks Harbor, Shelburne, Liverpool, all looking at wind gusts of 50 to 60 kilometers per hour. As we get into towards close to 11 o'clock tonight, we'll see those winds really ramping up. Yarmouth now gusting to 74 kilometers per hour, Freeport 66, Digby 69, Middleton 64 kilometers per hour, Shelburne and Clarks Harbor looking at 65 to 67 kilometers per hour wind gusts. But the strongest winds occur here overnight tonight at 2 a.m. That's when we'll see the winds ranging anywhere from 80 to 100 kilometers per hour wind gusts. The highest winds can be found on the Digby side, though. I think the less damaging winds will be Yarmouth and south. So I'm thinking warning criteria will not be likely for those areas. However, wind warnings should be issued for Kentville, Middleton, Digby, Freeport, as you guys will see wind gusts over 90 kilometers per hour. As this model shows, Freeport 91 kilometers per hour, Digby 92 kilometers per hour by 2 a.m. and Middleton, you're looking at wind gusts of possibly 99 kilometers per hour. However, there are some areas that could see winds of 100 kilometers per hour, as indicated right here, 100, 102. So 98, 99, 101, 102. So between 98 and 102 kilometers per hour in the Middleton and Digby area. Clarks Harbor, though, you'll see wind gusts of 85 to 90. Yarmouth, you'll see wind gusts upwards of 80 kilometers per hour. Shelburne, 73 kilometers per hour. But again, the highest threat will be on the Digby side. By the time we get into Monday morning at 5 o'clock, we'll see those winds continue to be strong in the Digby area. Less strong than what they were overnight, but still very gusty, between 80 and 90 kilometers per hour. Yarmouth 73 kilometers per hour. But the high winds do make it over on the coast in Shelburne County. So by the time you wake up at by 8 o'clock a.m., we'll see those winds finally diminishing tomorrow morning. Winds then only between 35 and 50 kilometers per hour, except a little more gusty towards Shelburne and extreme parts of the coast where winds will be a little over 50 kilometers per hour by tomorrow morning. Alright, now, lastly, let's take a look at the temperatures, because those will be the big story as we take a look at the temperatures, and we'll see also the reported temperatures. Temperatures reported right now, -1 in Yarmouth, -1 in Freeport. Clarks Harbor, it doesn't say here, but by the looks of it, you look like you could be seeing temperatures of above 0 already. So it wouldn't be surprised me if you start seeing a little bit of freezing rain or rain. Alright, let's take a look now at the temperature forecast as we get through tonight and into really the next couple days here, because we do have a warm-up coming up. So temperatures, take a look now at the temperatures. So we'll start off with this evening. Those temperatures warming up by 11 o'clock to plus 3 degrees in most of the southwest shores. By the time we get towards overnight tonight, we'll see those temperatures warm up to 5 and 6 degrees. We'll continue to warm up as we get into tomorrow morning at 5 o'clock a.m. We'll wake up to temperatures on the plus side at 4 to 6 degrees. Warmest in Shelburne, where you could see temperatures of 6 and 7. And then by the time we continue tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock, when the winds begin to die down, we'll still see those mild temperatures of 3 and 4 degrees. And those temperatures really, because there's going to be a little bit of sunshine tomorrow, we are looking at temperatures staying above the freezing mark. In fact, temperatures may even rise a little bit tomorrow morning. Temperatures of 4 to 7 degrees. Warmest in Shelburne, Liverpool, and Bridgewater at 7 degrees. We'll see those temperatures continue tomorrow afternoon to be of 4 to 7 degrees. And then we'll see temperatures slowly cool down for the evening hours. Right around the freezing mark for parts of the mainland. Otherwise, along the coast, you'll see temperatures tomorrow evening only cool down to about freezing by the time we wake up to Tuesday morning. And then as we get into your Tuesday afternoon, we'll see temperatures be a little cooler from a cold front. Temperatures on Tuesday afternoon will only be right around the freezing mark. And then as we get into Tuesday night, we'll see temperatures cool down a little more. Inland areas will be closer to -5, -6, but along the coast, you'll see temperatures of -3 to -6 degrees. As we get into Wednesday afternoon, we're seeing above zero temperatures once again. A little cooler along the coast, but otherwise temperatures generally anywhere from 0 to 3 degrees. And those temperatures will continue even into Thursday. Wednesday night, temperatures rise as another system moves in with more rain. And by Thursday afternoon, we'll see temperatures once again climb up to 3-5 degrees. In fact, a little warmer than that. By Thursday afternoon, we'll see temperatures by 2 o'clock closer to 4 and 5 degrees. And then as we play this right through into your Friday, we'll see those temperatures again creeping up. Friday, we are looking at temperatures well above the 5-degree mark. In fact, Yarmouth could see 7 degrees. Shelburne 7 degrees. Digby 8 degrees by Friday late morning. And then by Friday afternoon, check out these temperatures. We are talking double-digit temperatures by Friday afternoon. Temperatures already reaching between 8 and 10 degrees.